Have you ever wondered how a building is constructed, from an empty plot of land to a complete structure? In this video, we'll take you through each stage of the building construction process, step by step. Let's begin. The first step of any construction project is site preparation. The land is cleared of trees, debris, and unwanted materials. Then, surveying is done to mark boundaries, set levels, and plan the layout according to the design drawings. Once the site is ready, excavation begins for the foundation. Depending on the soil condition and building design, the type of foundation may vary. It could be a shallow foundation like isolated footings, or a deep foundation like piles. After excavation, reinforcement is placed and concrete is poured to form the base of the structure. After completing the foundation, the structure above ground starts with columns, beams, and slabs. This part is called the superstructure. Once the plinth beam and floor are ready, brickwork or blockwork begins for the walls, shaping the rooms and layout. Above the doors and windows, lintel beams are constructed to distribute loads. Then, roof slabs are cast using formwork and reinforcement. Proper curing is done for several days to achieve full strength. After the main structure is completed, doors and window frames are fixed. The walls are plastered to make surfaces smooth and even. This gives the building a neat appearance and prepares it for finishing works. Next comes the hidden but vital part, electrical and plumbing installation. Conduits, water lines and drainage pipes are laid inside the walls and floors before final finishes. Proper testing ensures there are no leaks or wiring issues later. Now, the finishing stage begins. Flooring tiles, wall painting, ceiling, and interior fixtures are installed. This is where the building starts to look beautiful and ready to use. Outside the building, external works include pathways, drainage, and landscaping. A proper drainage system ensures the building stays safe from water damage. Finally, after all work is complete, the final inspection is done by engineers and supervisors. Once everything meets the safety and quality standards, the building is handed over to the owner, and that's how a building comes to life, from bare ground to a completed structure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more construction and engineering content.